Hello everyone, in this video I present to you a Hangman game written in Python step by step. The game of Hangman is a guessing game in which players guess the letters of a word, with the goal of avoiding the drawing of the hangman. In each round, the player chooses a letter, and if the letter is in the word, it is revealed in its proper position on the board. If the letter is not in the word, a body part of the hangman is drawn, starting with the head and ending with the feet. The game continues until either the word is fully revealed, in which case the player wins, or the hangman is fully drawn, in which case the player loses. The code starts with importing the random module. Then a function called Hangman is defined, which takes one argument, word. In the Hangman function, several variables are defined. The wrong variable is initialized to 0 and represents the number of incorrect guesses the player has made. The stages variable is a list of strings that represent the different stages of drawing the hangman figure. The letters variable is a list of letters from the word argument, and the board variable is a list of underscore characters with the same length as word. The win variable is a Boolean type, initialized to false, that will be used to track if the player has won the game. The game starts with a greeting message and then enters a while loop that lasts as long as the player has made less than len stages 1 incorrect guesses. Each pass through the loop, the player is asked to guess a letter. If the letter is in letters, its index is found, the corresponding underscore on board is replaced with the correctly guessed letter, and the letter is replaced with $ in letters, so that it cannot be guessed again. If the letter is not in letters, the wrong counter is increased. The current state of the game is then displayed on the console, including the board with the correctly guessed letters and the hangman figure with the current number of incorrect guesses. If all the letters in word have been correctly guessed, indicated by the absence of underscore on board, the player has won, and a message is displayed. If the player has made len stages, 1 incorrect guesses, the player has lost, and the hangman figure with the final number of incorrect guesses is displayed along with a message that reveals the word. Now let's make a list of our guess words. We will randomly assign one of them to the variable word and run our function with the variable word as an argument. Start the program and have fun. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel.